In a vast, sunlit savannah, there lived a friendly young eland named Ella. Ella was known for her long, elegant horns and her kind heart. She was loved by all the animals in the savannah. One day, Ella noticed a small, lost baby bird. It was lying on the ground, away from its nest. Ella felt a pang in her heart. She wanted to help. "Oh, little bird," Ella said, "you seem to be lost. Let me help you find your home." She gently picked up the bird and began to look around. As they searched, they came across a family of meerkats. "Have you seen a small bird like this one?" Ella asked. The meerkats shook their heads. Next, they met a wise old tortoise. "Have you seen a small bird like this one?" Ella asked again. The tortoise thought for a moment, then pointed towards a tall tree. Ella and the bird made their way towards the tree. The bird's heart raced as they got closer. Suddenly, they heard a familiar chirp. There, in a nest high up in the tree, was the bird's family. Ella carefully placed the bird back into its nest. The bird's mother flew down to thank Ella. "Thank you, Ella," she chirped. "You are a true friend." Ella smiled, feeling happy and proud. She had helped a friend in need. From that day on, Ella was not just known as a friendly eland, but as a hero of the savannah. As the sun began to set, Ella returned home, feeling content. She knew that no matter what, she would always be ready to help any friend in need. And so, the friendly eland lived happily, waiting for the next adventure. The end.